I'm doing fine now. No, 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 I'm doing fine because I got the Wise Guy collection in the Wise Guy. No, I'm doing fine. Thank you for asking. We're trying to promote the Wise Guy perfume. It's really, really good. No, I'm doing fine. Again, I'll talk to you. But this is for the guys. It's called Black Jet. I'm fine. Thank you. No, and then, no, the girls are doing fine too with Dolls. It's our new Blackjack perfume from the ladies. And it's called Dolls. Why don't you get it now? No, you're doing fine. Thank you. Thank you. No, I'm doing fine. And we got some Wise Guys from the Vegas collection. It's so good. You want me to spray you a little bit? Oh, that means yes. Okay. This is really great stuff. While you can get it, it's hot. It's Blackjack for the guys or Blackjack for the girls. And what do you say, Wilbur? Oh, okay. You're fine. He loves this stuff too. This is Wilbur. But be careful now because he wants you to smell the stuff. Blackjack for the dolls and Blackjack for the guys. Get it while it's hot. Thank you.